In this video, I'm going to show you how to sum visible cells only in Excel. So I have this table here, and I have the site type, columns, device type, and the months. So let's say we're trying to basically sum all devices per month, and we'd like to put the total number of remote site devices in this row, and the total number of DC devices in this row. So I have this step-by-step procedure that we can follow. So first step is click on the cell where you want the sum of visible cells to appear, okay? And type subtotal, this is the function, into the selected cell. And for summing up, use 9 as the first argument. Your formula should look like this. And select the range of cells. So after the comma, select the range of cells you want to sum. So for example, this. So equals subtotal, use 9 for summing and the range. Okay, so let's follow this. So I'm going to type subtotal and then select 9 for summing and select the range that I want to sum. So in this case, actually I need to filter all the remote site devices first. Okay, so subtotal, select 9, the first argument, and select the range. And then close the parenthesis. And here we see that the total number of devices, remote site devices, is 20,199. That's what we see here below. So we can actually just drag this all the way to November, and we should get the correct total. So if we double check this, yeah, the same numbers here, same numbers. And we can do the same for the DC data center devices. So same formula or function, subtotal, select 9 as the first argument, and then select the range. Okay, and if we double check, we see that the sum is 430, which what we have here, and we can just drag here all the way to November. We can double check if you want. So 446, yeah, same numbers, same number, 612, same number. So this is how you can quickly sum the visible cells only in Excel. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.